Okay, so there's my diagram and my template made. This up here, this is just my quick measurements, just to show me where it's at. It's gonna be 13 inches long, 7 inches for the main body of it here. I know this is 7 from firewall to master. 13 is complete in total, all of it. So I look at it again here. I know my hood is going to follow in here, something kind of like that. So where she's at right now, it barely clears the hood. When the hood comes down on here, actually the hood will be out just a little bit more, but I'm using this as my go-to because I can't be any more than that. This is my max. And then when the hood goes on over here, it'll give me a little bit, looks like about a ½ inch of play. And that's what I want, about a ½ inch away from everything. All the way around. Up here on top, and I took and measured from there down. I got good cap clearance. But the one that's spooking me a little bit is right here on this valve cover. When she comes out over all of this, I don't want to have to take the vacuum booster, brake booster off to take the valve cover off. So you can see why I use a template right now, and it's just magnetic stuck on there. I can move this around wherever I need it to be until I get it set exactly where I want it. This is the hole I'll be cutting. Right here, this is the hole I'll be cutting. These are my bolts that go through. I was lucky and I had this nice styrofoam gasket, firewall gasket, and it's all the size and dimensions I need, so that made an easy template with the compass. And there's the cardstock. You can use an old cereal box or whatever the heck that came out of. But you can see where I'm headed with this. It's going to be in there somewhere like that. I'm going to try to get it up as much as possible and to this side as much as possible, so I don't interfere with that strut and I don't mess with that hood prop right there. I want to try to keep all of that. And it'll, at 13.5 inches, is from the firewall, and it comes right to the edge of that bolt. So that whole thing will be right in here. One of these days I'm going to get a better camera prop here. But anyway, you can see where I'm headed with all of this. Right now I can move that template around wherever I need to set it, and then I know where I plunge the hole. Because once I plunge the hole, there ain't no going back. I can fudge it a little bit, but if I screw it all up, well, then I'm taking a piece of that sheet metal, or the sheet metal over there that's behind that ladder, cutting it out, patching it in, starting over. If I have to, but I'm trying real hard to avoid that. I want this one and done, one hole, nice and done, throw it up there, be able to take the valve cover off easy. And with this old blowed up 305, I can do that. I can take these off, try to get that valve cover off. If it comes off, bingo. Okay, that's where I'm at, and probably won't get it all on there tonight, but you can see where I've kind of gone with it. And no matter what, even though most of my time was spent out stripping that old Jeep out there, I did get 4 hours on it, even if a lot of them were way out back. Okay, probably get on it tomorrow, but here's what I've done for today.